bracelet. I got this ring, my earrings, my Capricorn necklace because I'm born in January. My hair clips, my necklace. Oh, I already explained that. And yeah, I look amazing. See you at the fireworks. Bye. Hi, it's Fern from Fern and Mimi's Adventures, and we're going to the fireworks on New Year's Eve, which is today. What are you doing on New Year's Eve? I hope you have a lovely New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, and I hope you do lots of fun stuff. So I'll see ya at the fireworks. Bye. Hi, so I'm eating ice cream. I don't usually get this. I usually get bubblegum and coconut, but they didn't have those. I have bubblegum, but not my favorite, the teal color. So I got new ones, Kinder Surprise and mint, choc mint, and it's so good. We'll see you at the fireworks. I like in this random place, not near our home. But yeah, and it starts at midnight. See you there. Bye. Hi, we're having ice cream, and I got cookies and cream and cotton candy. That's usually what I get. And peace. See you at the fireworks. Two.